Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the Cuban Sidecar, sometimes referred to as a rum sidecar. In order to make this drink, we just need three ingredients. We need the lime juice, we need the rum, and we need the orange liqueur. Proportions in recipes online vary quite a bit, so I'm going to use the proportions that make my wife happy because she's going to be drinking this when I'm done with it. The first thing we're going to get is our rum. I'm using an aged rum. I'm going to put an ounce and a half, which is 45 milliliters, into my shaker. Orange liqueur, I'm going to use 3/4 of an ounce, which is 22 and a half milliliters. Then half an ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice. Half an ounce is 15 milliliters. Get your ice, add it to your shaker, and give it a shake. Get your strainer, Coupe, double strain into your glass. Now, traditional garnish for a sidecar is going to be a sugar rim. I'm not doing that today. I am going to give a twist of orange. Again, we'll see. I'm not good at this. We'll see if I can do it. And I'm not doing the sugar rim because my wife likes them tart. So express the orange. Wipe it around the edge. Give it a fancy twist. And drop it in. And there you have it. A Cuban Sidecar. Drink with good spirits.